Yo guys, kembali lagi bersama gue Mochi Vanca. Di video kali ini kita akan bermain game dari Genshin Impact ya. Kebetulan untuk Genshin Impact ini kita kedatangan update baru, yaitu di 6.0 ya guys. Itu region Northcry ya. Sebelum Snezhnaya itu lokasinya ada di utaranya ini ya. Nah, apa sih ini namanya? Selatan guys. Sebenarnya quest pertamanya harusnya sih gue ngobrol dulu ya sama siapa ya Paimon biasalah. Apa namanya sebelum meninggalkan region Atlan ini di sini ya. Cuman eh, ya nggak sengaja gue udah apa sih namanya ngobrol sama Paimon kesini dan akhirnya kita eh, masuk ke quest Not Cry itu di sini. Jadi gue baru bisa record pas saat ini ya. Kayak gitu guys. Jadi ya sudah kita langsung lanjut saja untuk Archon Quest-nya ya guys. Di sini kita akan fokus di Archon Quest-nya aja. Kira-kira gue bakalan record berapa menit ya guys? Entahlah ya. Tapi kemungkinan besar gue bakalan banyak skip. Oke, kita coba ya. Oh ya di sini gue pakai controller ya guys.
It
PS4.
just occurred to Paimon, if we were looking to put out a missing spaceship commission, or to learn more about Notcry, wouldn't it make sense to drop by the Adventurers Guild?
The guild is located in Nasha Town. Simply follow this road and you'll reach it.
Oke. Di Nutcracker juga ada Adventures Guild ya. Cuman kita kalau udah pernah nonton ininya apa sih namanya? Spoilernya gitu ya. Itu tuh Sandro, tapi bentar lah ya, kita lihat aja.
Looks kinda like a Sealy.
That is a Kuhanki, a species unique to the land of Notcry.
A Kuhenki? Does she have something to do with the moon?
Indeed it does. According to the Frost Moon Scions, the indigenous inhabitants of this land, the
Frost Moon
Kuhanki,
Scion,
are
Bani
simply
Bulan
the
Embun.
warriors of the moon goddess, leading those who walk in the moonlight's glow to things of great importance.
The
Eh.
moon goddess? Don't all people here worship?
Although Notcry lies on Snezhnaya's border regions,
Oh, Nordcray ini
they
masih
have held their own
bisnis
unique
Naya,
traditions
cuman
from
dia
immemorial.
punya kepercayaan sendiri akhirnya ya
This land shares a deep connection with the
ini
moon and
gitu
the
ya.
sky above.
Beda lah ya sama bisnis Naya jadi. Berarti di sini bakalan banyak Fatu
The
ya guys.
beliefs of the
Tapi
Frost Moon Scions seem to date
sebenarnya
back
gue
to the
udah
civilization of
keliling-keliling
ancient
gitu.
Greece.
Tapi keliling-kelilingnya tuh
According to
cuman
documents in
gue
the
ini
Bible,
aja. Apa sih
the
namanya?
seven archons did not exist
Buka
at that
map
time.
aja biar enak ya. Jadi ngambil apa sih itu namanya? Patung-patung yang berbentuk Columbina ya kalau nggak salah namanya. Jadi biar ngebuka aja lah mapnya biar lebih terang. Di Arpan pun belum ada pada masa itu. Oh, oke. Oh,
Wow!
udah
So the
berdiri dari
origin of
sebelum
their beliefs
Arkon
goes
nih
back
guys.
even further than the Archon War?
Correct. At some point, you may come across some statues of their goddess. The Frost Moon Scions carved these.
Hey! Looks like she's floating away!
I suggest you
Berarti
follow
bisa
her.
jadi si
The
apa sih namanya
probability of
Nordcray ini
meeting a
tuh
person encountering a Kuhenki lies in
banyak
the simple traits.
cerita-cerita apa ya
Many here
inti
contain
utamanya lah ya
inheritance and
sebelum
fortune.
kejadian Arkon. Oke, kita lanjut. Ikuti si apa ini Kuhenki ya. Ada tanda bulan ya tuh. Itu ada Oculus tapi nanti aja lah ya guys. Gue pengen apa sih namanya ngikutin map itu loh guide.
This? A travel guide? Huh. It actually led us to some.
Hmm? Ini kalian pause aja ya kalau pengen baca. Biasanya gue nggak baca sih. Oke.
Are there any particular points of interest?
Oh, it all looks pretty interesting to Paimon.
Recalibrating route. If we keep following the current path, we will arrive at an area of scenic beauty. From there,
Why is Paimon suddenly getting the feeling that if she doesn't step it up soon, Ineva's gonna put her out?
Oke. Udah di mana? Oke, di atas. Oh iya, apa ya namanya? Gue belum biasa pakai controller ya, guys. Gue biasanya pakai ada suara chest. Gue biasa pakai keyboard sebenarnya, tapi apa ya? Pakai keyboard tuh kayak kita pakai dua tangan. Nah, kalau controller tuh cukup satu tangan gitu. Jadi gue pengen cobain pakai satu tangan aja, lebih santai gitu. Gue bisa senderan apa ya kan, untuk posisinya lebih nyaman lah ya. Dan gue biasanya pakai bantal sandaran gue di mana ya? Gitu. Ya udah lah ya, lanjut aja. Um, stand. Oh, ini guys. Oh, ada shortcut. Ah, dikasih beginian ya guys. Oke. Ya ini bagian explore dong harusnya. Ya udah lah, sekali ya guys. Gue penasaran. Apa ini? Nggak bisa di-hit. Bisa di-scan ya? Scan caranya gimana ini? Game. Oh, scan. Itu bukan sih? Oh ya. Betul, itu bisa diinteraksi, tapi gue nggak tahu cari interaksinya gimana. Oh, kita ada chat.
Hey, not a bad haul.
Dan sebenarnya gue biasa pakai bahasa Jepang juga ya. Gue main di HP sih lebih seringnya daripada di PC. Udahlah, fokus dulu ya sama main apa story. Tapi kita ambil itu dulu ya. Oh, emang mau ke situ ternyata. Oke. Kalian bisa baca nggak itu tulisan? Biasanya nggak bisa ya baca tulisan-tulisan yang ada di Genshin ini.
Nasha Town actually looks pretty big.
Lihat aja ini terjemahan gue juga nggak pakai bahasa Inggris.
Then
Which aspects in particular deviated from your expectations?
Well, Paimon keeps hearing people describe Notcry as an adventurer's paradise. So,
According to legend, there was indeed an era of peace in Notcry's past. The age of the Fae, tales of those ancient heroes are still told today. One of the most well-known is that of the Lantern Fae. This individual performed many good deeds for Notcry. The present-day Lightkeeper's nightly lantern patrols are, in part, a tribute to their memory.
what happened?
There came a devastating abyssal calamity that swept across Notcry, and for a time it was left desolate.
Oh, tempat kosong ya
By
berarti.
what had become of the land they had so cherished, that Fae extinguished their light,
Genesis
just as the abyss
Elysium
had
namanya
extinguished all
apa?
hope. Nowadays, the
Sama kayak
paradise
ini ya
people speak
berarti.
of is more of an aspiration, or
Huh.
today, no official authority governs Notcry. In theory, at least,
Hmm,
it is somewhere a person can do whatever they wish and become whoever they want to be.
apapun kan menjadi siapapun di sini. Hmm,
The Adventurers Guild is just over there, in Nasha Town's central plaza,
ada di.
and the flagship tavern is over that
Ini
way.
sih lebih bebas daripada kotanya Venti ya guys. Gimana? Kota Venti itu
Building over there.
monster.
You know, the biggest, tallest one.
That is Aino's Boom and Blast Kuvaki energy cannon. It gets activated when the
Kemudian
wild
dari
hunt
Kuvaki
threat
Duar-Duar.
level outside Nasha Town reaches a
Ciptaan
certain
Aino.
threshold.
Oke.
But according
Buat
to
kalian
some
yang nggak
legends,
tahu ya, untuk Aino tuh
the energy cannon used to be
dia yang ciptain
malfunctioning,
si ini Pak ya.
likely due to a recent discharge.
The wild hunt? Isn't that the abyssal calamity you mentioned that's specific to Notcry?
It is a phenomenon that has been occurring for several centuries now. Yet the time and location of wild hunt attacks are
Ini
seemingly random.
kurang lebih malah jadi sama kayak ini nggak
It's
sih?
more of an old wives' tale that adults use to scare
Netland.
children.
Ya. Ini yang sering dipakai orang tua sih.
If you
Oh,
don't stop
nakuti
crying,
anak-anak.
kid, some night
Tapi kalau
the wild hunt's gonna come for you. Listen, do you hear that? That weeping in the fall?
gratis muda yang seret pergi.
Those are the cries of... I have not witnessed enough wild hunt attacks to give a statistically sound answer. But the oldest legends say that all people saw was the ghostly shadow of a woman in the mist. It wasn't until later that it became a full-blown calamity.
Ini baru berubah menjadi cerita pangkat dengan itu.
Huh. When you put it like that, Paimon's really gotta hand it to Aino. Not only did she repair you, but she's even built.
Absolutely. Aino is very... Anyway, According to my schedule, it is time I took you over to the flagship.
Oh, sure. After all, we shouldn't keep Barca waiting. Well, Paimon's not sure if he'll
Oke.
actually show up at the bar this early.
Mengenaikan orang-orang yang jadi nongkrong di kedai.
You're right about that.
Jadi kita nyari Parka di kedai ya. Harusnya kita ambil petik panoramanya dan kembali ya. Gimana tuh? Oke. Enaknya pakai ini sih. Gue suka banget ya sama karakter Casca ini. Kita tinggal terbang aja begini. Oke. Pintunya tadi di bawah. Wait. Oke, di situ ada chest. Ini dia nandain chest ya.
If I didn't
Oh,
know
gitu. Sekarang dia
luckily for you,
wajahnya langsung seneng
I
ya.
really need this stuff.
Oke. Berarti tandanya ada chest ya. Kita harus cari mungkin, tapi kita lihat aja ya. Kita baru nemuin 2 chest di sini. Menyerang musuh dari atas menyerbu tanpa disadari. Itu guide
Here we are, the
the
flagship.
flagship. Oh, flagship itu kalau nggak salah tempat kita yang diajak ketemu sama Farka atau bukan ya?
To meet him here in
Iya kan bener.
right? Let's see.
Farka. Nggak ada.
No matches, I identified.
So he isn't here after all. Oh, hey.
Tapi kayaknya nggak secepat itu kita ketemu Farka ya.
What is true. Barca's drinking
Kita
prowess
tunggu.
must have left quite the impression.
Wah, kalau jago minum sih harusnya diadu sama apa ini? Kita coba ya. Oh, oke. Kita harus ngasih sesuatu ke dia supaya dibarter sama chest ini kali ya. Oke. Kita kemana? Tadi bicara sama pemilik.
Well.
Hello there, Demyon.
You know each other?
Of course. Inefa's a regular here at the flagship.
Langganan?
Robots are into booze?
Not at all. The energy
Ini energi dari
conversion
kita
efficiency
sangat
of
rendah dan
alcoholic drinks is very low, and most
sekali
of them
lagi.
are full of impurities.
Jadi aku mengaku
Still,
tahu
I can
lihat.
affirm that your berries and fried meat deserve a solid 9.12 out of 10.
Funny that you should mention that.
Buat Aino kali ya.
If you were away in Natlan, Varka would come in here every day to pick up a serving of berries and fried meat for Aino.
Oh, ya ampun.
Aww. He must have been worried sick.
Actually, it's cause Varka found out that Aino went wild.
Bukan minum ya.
Gorging herself on snacks.
Dia beli
she won't even
cemilan.
get her hands on. I think I might have just put my foot in it. Anyway, since you're back from Natlan, these two must be the ones Varka mentioned.
Yep, that's us. So, from the sounds of it, you must be a close friend.
Varka? Goes without saying. After all, he's the only one around here who's ever managed to.
Tapi kira-kira kalau dilawan sama Mavrika gimana ya?
Though, guess it's hardly surprising how.
Right now? Must be
Oh,
somewhere
kalau
around
enggak
the
ya
mountain.
lawan Venti lah.
That's quite far from here.
Atau mungkin emang mereka berdua orangnya kuat kali ya. Ini Fafnir. Apa itu? Nama tempat ya?
In the northern part of Nodcry. Word reached him of trouble brewing around
Iya,
those
masalah
parts.
jadi langsung banget sama pasukannya.
So, we missed him?
Tapi angin orangnya sejati ya.
Varka knew you'd say that.
Hmm.
So he specifically told me to make sure
Supaya
you
aku
stay here and
melawan
enjoy
kalian dan
yourselves.
bikin connection.
He sends his assurances that everything's under control.
Well, if he's that confident, guess our only option is to accept. Anyway, it's not like there's any special cause for concern. He is the Grand Master.
Exactly. Plus, not only has he booked you into our finest room, he's paid.
Whoa! It's so generous of him!
Hmm.
We might not have met.
Oh, and by the way, he also asked me to serve up a portion of berries and fried meat for Inefa.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Traveler, Paimon, why don't you go ahead and drop off your luggage? I can use this time to go pick up.
Sure thing. Besides, now that we've got ourselves a map,
Oh. So,
no worries. We should be fine. We've got a rough idea of our way around town.
thank you. This translates into an approximate time saving of 30%, meaning I will.
Oh, right. You must miss her a lot too. And then
Oke, kita masuk ke kamar tamu katanya. Terus apa ya tadi? Ini juga menjelaskan ya kenapa si siapa namanya? Fenty. Ini juga menjelaskan ya kalau si Nutcracker ini kenapa bisa banyak faksi gitu loh. Karena di sini tuh nggak ada aturan yang
feels pretty
apa
neat
ya
having someone sort out our food and lodging prices,
mengatur
huh?
daerah ini dan cocok lah buat perdagangannya. Oke gitu. Makanya ada aku ribut.
But is this
Karena
really
perdagangan yang nggak ada
fast
aturannya berarti
accurate?
apa aja gitu.
It's pretty big, make no mistake, but it looks a little worn out, right?
Nanti ada terbentuk.
To be perfectly honest, you mean it's got something to do with Notcry's history? Oh, that makes sense.
Tapi Genshin sekarang tuh udah jarang ya scene-scene kayak gitu.
Oh,
Animasi-animasi ya guys.
fried me too.
Padahal gue suka banget.
Paimon's getting hungrier and hungrier every time someone mentions it.
Nah, kita ketemu siapa ini? Flint ya?
Oh, sorry.
Please,
Yeah.
there's no need to apologize. If anything, I'm the one.
Wait a sec. Are you staying in the room next?
Ah, quite the perceptive one, I see. First things
Kiril
first,
Kudo
allow me to
Miro
introduce
Flint.
myself.
Panjang juga ya?
My name is Kirill Chudamirovich Flintz, but please,
Judo Miro
just call me Flintz.
Peach. Iya, oke. Flint saja. Baik.
Whoa, that's
Oh, is that so? Names like mine ought to have been fairly common in
Ini
the
si
Snezhnaya.
namanya
At least in
Snezhnaya
the
mungkin ya
past.
itu.
Would I be
Cukup
correct
umum
then
nih.
to assume
Kayak
that the two
Agus
of you
kali
are
ya.
travelers in this land?
Houdini. Itu terus nara. Mbak.
yep, you sure would be. Paimon is Paimon, and this
Gimana?
is the Traveler. We've been to a bunch of
What a rare honor it is to meet such worldly travelers.
Oh, dia kenal kita ya.
for travel too.
If only I had the time to spare. No, I'm just staying the night.
Oh, so you're here for business?
That's certainly one way to put it. I'm a Ratnik of Nodcry.
Ratnik apa ya?
Stationed near the burial
Ya,
grounds to the
bertugas di
north.
daerah
My sole
pemakaman
purpose for being here today was to repair this
untuk
lantern.
memperbaiki lantera.
Burial grounds?
Your surprise is entirely understandable. Most people cannot even begin to. But if you've heard of the calamitous abomination that is the Wild Hunt, you'll
Oh,
know that
Wild
in
Hunt
their
lagi ya.
wake they bring a host of
Bukan
souls
apa yang tercemar oleh
tainted by
iblis.
abyssal
Nah,
filth. That then is why
oh,
we're
tugas dia itu
stationed
kali ya,
at the burial grounds,
membersihkan si pemburuan
to
liar.
hold the line where it is most vulnerable.
Oh, so it's all about fighting against the abyss.
I thank you for your concern. But in truth, I've long since grown used to it. In fact, I like to think it rather
Tapi
suits
kayaknya
me.
si Flint
If
ini
anything,
tuh
I'd say I prefer the peace and quiet of the
ini ya,
graveyard to the hustle and
kalau
bustle of the
dia bilang kerja, berarti ada perusahaan yang menaungi dia. Dia kerja untuk seseorang.
Paimon sort of gets it now. But even so, she is still pretty sure she
Mungkin
can
Ratnik
never
itu
get
ya,
to live in
tapi
a graveyard
entahlah Ratnik
herself.
itu sebuah
For one thing,
profesi atau bukan ya.
she's too scared to fall asleep at night.
Oh, I assure you, there's no need to worry on that account. The kind of ghosts you find in cemeteries aren't too big on talking. But even when they... Well, would you look at that? Who'd have thought we'd end
Jadi
up
kita
chatting
memiliki
this
banyak
long?
kesamaan.
Must have a lot in common. Forgive me, but I must excuse myself,
Kenapa
for the
nih?
time of my appointment draws near.
Tapi
And
kan
in
kalau
terms I'm
Lentera,
sure you'll understand,
Oh,
a
kalau Ratnik tuh
lanternless
udah
Ratnik is
pasti.
like a
Iya, kayaknya
Baptist
profesi
traveler,
berarti Ratnik tuh ya.
a serious
Dan
conundrum
seorang
indeed.
pembalap yang dapat pasti.
Oh, sure. In that case, you go right ahead. We won't keep.
Not at all. Should the opportunity present itself, I'd gladly continue our conversation. You're always welcome to come visit my grave. I mean, the grave I stand watch over. Your visit would bring much needed light to that place of final rest.
Right.
Then allow me to wish you a traditional Ratnix farewell. See you by the graveside.
Ugh. Jeez. What a weirdo. Not to badmouth him at all. In fact, he
Pengen,
seemed pretty cultured, but
gue penasaran ya bahasa kalau dia ngomong bahasa Inggris kayak gimana gitu.
must be all that time he spent around
Kok bahasa Inggris
graveyards.
sih? Bahasa Jepang.
His lantern? No, not really. Huh. Guess you've always
Tapi
had enough
mungkin
for stuff like this.
untuk apa sih namanya? Ya nantilah ya. Kalau misalkan gue beres record hari ini, gue bakalan coba untuk downloadnya bahasa Inggris sih. Mudah-mudahan space-nya cukup ya. Jadi katanya sih.
Hey,
Tepi
don't
mata.
start spouting all that weird
Oke.
shit.
Bahasanya seakan-akan bentar lagi meninggal guys. Oke, keluar dari flagship. Keluarnya kemana ya? Ini kah? Oke, betul ya. Gue belum makan guys. Oke.
Paimon almost forgot something. Were we gonna go try out the berries and fried meat? But now, heading all the way back to the flagship.
Please, accept today's boon. Come night or day, may the
Oke,
blessings of the
Lauma ya.
Moon Goddess shine down upon you.
Senang lihat ini.
Huh? What's going on over there? Wait, free food? Wow! Quick, let's grab some too. Paimon's.
Moonlight illuminates the path before you, travelers from afar.
Gue pengen banget nih. Gue belum ada karakter Dendro yang bagus nih. Masalahnya.
How'd you know we were
Just now were a song the birds in the sky, singing of your wanderings.
Soalnya
birds?
Dendro yang gue punya tuh
Forgive me.
yang B5-nya ya.
I should not have
Itu
viewed the
cuman
white
si itu doang lah.
cloud as a welcome
Karakter
call
standar.
from the first
Gue belum ada
moon.
sama sekali.
You too must be wondering who I am.
Seharusnya aku tak menyebut kalian dengan kata-kata orang lain. Nah, kita menjawab pertanyaan bisa lebih
I
silakan.
am Lauma, moon chanter of the frost moon scions.
Mari terima
As do our
Kita kudu ikut
followers
kami
and
dan
other passers-by, accept today's boon.
pesannya apa ya?
Happy to oblige. Paimon's name is Paimon.
Wah,
And
ya,
this
tuh.
here's the traveler. Thanks so much
Kayak
for
penganut,
sharing
tapi
your
emang
knowledge
sih
with
ya
us.
penganut yang
Each.
di sini tuh dia menyembah bulan ya kalau tidak salah. Frost Moon Scion kan? Oke.
Think nothing of it. These fruits were the finest we found, delicacies gathered in the wake of the morning dew.
The finest you found? Wow, that's sure.
The first fruit of the harvest must be placed upon
Gue
the
pengennya,
moonlit altar,
guys,
not as an
main
offering to
game
the gods,
gitu
but
ya.
as a spark for
Kalau
lost
iPhone gue
hunters.
sih.
For it is the blade of the starving that darkness most easily corrupts. As
Soalnya
perhaps you
koneksi
have
gue
already
nggak
heard,
sebagus itu.
we Frost Moon
Ya
Scions
kalau
have
kalian
true
nonton
ambitions,
record
not
dan apa ya,
beliefs.
Valorant gue
We
ya,
believe that
kalian pasti tahu
joy,
ya. Untuk
virtue,
koneksi
and
gue tuh nggak
compassion
sebagus
are
itu.
the shining light that will lead us all out of the long, dark night. And now, with tides of haughty Fatui swarming into Nodcry, driven by greed and greed alone, more than ever before.
Meskipun emang gak ada hukum yang mengatur Notcry ya, berarti si Frost Moon Scion ini tuh kayaknya bisa dibilang etnik warga asli ya di ini apa sih namanya Notcry kali ya. Nah mereka kurang suka dengan Fatui yang emang menginvasi tempat ini ya, karena kebetulan memang dia masih termasuk region Snake Naya ya, itu perbatasan lah ya.
Look who it is again. Those unsufferably kind-hearted Frost Moon Scion.
That's right! 2 servings each.
The Fatui! After what you've been doing to our sacred statues, how dare you even show your faces?
Philomena, bestow today's boon upon our guests.
You hear that? No slacking now.
Nggak pilih-pilih ya.
They...
Please, you two, accept this meal. But remember this. Kindness is the first lantern left.
Come again?
Let me finish. But should they still refuse to follow the moonlit path, then by
Aduh.
our frosted blades shall we show them.
You!
Di ulti guys.
Look,
Whatever. Just you wait. Huh? Where's
Udah
the meat?
ngemis tapi
Who wants to eat
ini.
this garbage?
Udah ngemis gimana ya?
The worst.
Kelakuannya masih gitu. Aduh.
Ever since they came to Nodcry with all their weird equipment and built that so-called experimental design bureau,
Judging from how they reacted just now, it seems the Fatui already know who you are.
Well, we have gotten in their way in pretty much every nation we visited, so we're probably at the top of their blacklist by now.
I see. Then, on behalf of the Frost Moon Scions, I thank you. Because if they had gotten ahead of themselves, just as the birds and beasts put it, your arrival heralds joy to us all. Besides, for a weary traveler far from home, what better respite? You will always be welcome at
In
the Frost
live
Moon
bulan
Cafe,
embun. Ah,
the place we call our home.
apa itu? Kami. Oh namanya ya, nama tempat mereka. Oke,
May
gitu
we
aja ya.
meet again in the moon's gentle.
Oke.
These
Tiga
are
dulu.
delicious.
Tapi itu menjelaskan ya kalau pada saat gua ngebuka
Fatui wouldn't know a good thing
apa
if
itu
Kibble
namanya
bit them on the
map
shoulder.
ya, patung bulannya tuh emang bentuknya beda-beda guys. Ada 3. Tapi mungkin nanti kita sempat lihat ya.
Looks like Ineva isn't done with her shopping yet, and the Adventurers Guild is still empty. Worship, good idea. Wouldn't want to let the Kuhenki down. Let's see. Okay,
Suku Hengki bareng Ineva ya.
is nuts and nuts.
Nuts
It's
and nuts.
mostly a fruit
Itu
shop,
buat
but
tapi
there's a
Inggris juga.
This is the Speranza. One of
Peran.
the travel guide's recommended restaurants. All the waiters here are kids. This is the Vesnici Prolicha Greenhouse.
Prestige Police Green.
Apparently, their flowers are all made of.
Oh, ini sih lebih ke lokasi-lokasi ini aja ya.
If you ever need a
Nah,
wedding
workshop.
made, this is. And over here, they've got a super top that ways north, and that looks
Kita
like
ngomongin patuinya.
something built by the Fatui.
Barat
Over there to the west,
itu dari tempat tinggalnya Bani Wulan Embun.
where the Frost Moon Scions live.
Nggak expect tempatnya kayak gitu ya. Gue belum begitu lihat tempatnya gitu, lihat-lihat ya guys. Gue benar-benaran fokus cuman buat membuka mapnya.
Just
Itu udah tinggalin aja gitu.
Paimon's own tour guiding skills aren't too
Hmm.
shabby either, right? She sure is. It'd take hundreds of years. Huh? Look, there must be someone at the Adventurers Guild now. There's already a line forming. Looks like we'll finally be able to ask about your spaceship.
Hmm.
Oh, or was there anywhere else you wanted to stop by first?
Oke.
Where? Which one are you? Oh, anyway, where we go first is completely up to you. Either the Adventurers Guild.
Tapi kita belum ke Adventures Guild ya ini. Oh, ada tempat. Nah, ini dia ya. Kita buka dulu. Terus kita, oh ada 2 tempat. Pergi ke Adventures Guild sama pergi ke toko yang menarik. Yang pasti gue bakalan ambil toko yang menarik dulu. Tapi yang mana ya toko yang menarik? Ini kayaknya ya. Itu Adventures Guild kayaknya dari logonya ya. Kayak kompas. Oke. Bawa sini. Gimana sih? Oh, ini nggak bisa ya? Ah, Dory.
Please, here you go. And if you ever need anything else, don't forget to make the great
Emang
memories
sih
of
ya,
Little Bay your
ini
favorite
bisa apa aja
playground.
dijual, cocok banget sama Dory. Karena Dory juga pasar punya pasar gelap ya di Sumeriko guys. Dan udah pasti ya koneksinya sebesar itu ya sampai di Notcrack.
Oh dear. Of course it's the real deal. Everything you'll find here is 110% real, meaning every one of my deals is as real as a deal can. Wait a minute. Oh, well. If it isn't my two most valued client. And with no small thanks to your munificent. Come. How could you just sneak into Not Cry like this without telling your dear Lord Sangama Bay? If I'd known earlier, I would have made an absolute I mean, thank the Archons we didn't tell you. Oh, come now. You know as well as anyone how impeccably and conscientiously above. Well, regardless of whether that's true or not, the main issue here is that a clever merchant always has a backup plan, or two, or three up their sleeves. As the saying goes, a rabbit with many burrows fears not the hunter's arrows. A merchant with storks. Since you're both here in Nodcry, would you care for some of my finest local souvenirs? Whatever you're looking for, I have it. Or if we literally just
Tapi
arrived.
tadi ada
Look like
peran
we're
di
the
Notcrack atau enggak ya si
tourist
Dory ini?
My, your high-minded tastes never cease to impress. In that case, I know just the thing. What's that? Information, of course. Information about Nodcry. Locked, secure, in the otherwise
Nah,
impenetrable vaults of the Lord
ternyata
Sangamabe's brilliant mind. I knew it. I just
karena dia bisa
couldn't
jual
share the value
informasi,
of my wares.
perannya di situ
And
aja kali ya,
after all our pleasant
sebatas
dealings
itu.
in the past, I'll even take a hit by throwing in some insider info for free. Wow. You sure are. What do you mean by uncharacteristically? I am the moment I set up shop in Nodcry, it struck me how many different factions there were. All competing against each other for power, and if things got even more turbulent after
Waktunya
the
berarti
two
ini lagi krisis ya di sini.
ancient moon's remnants, people began to catch a whiff of the coming chaos.
Oke,
And the more troubled the waters,
ya
the greater the
makin
potential profit. Not at all
bisa
sorry,
begitu ya dia.
we're not here for more. Oh, really? But surely it was the tales of an adventurer's paradise that, in that case, what would you like to know about?
Kita cek semuanya ya.
The Frost Moon Scions? You mean the people who believe in the moon goddess? They're not a bad bunch. It's just, well, they have such simple tastes. No luxuries, no indulgences, no nothing. Trying to still, things between them and the Fatui have gotten pretty tense. It's only a matter of time before the powder keg goes boom. And when
Bisnis
that
bakal
happens,
tetap.
that's when business will start to boom. Oh, they're an
Oke,
organization such
like keeper
global
tuh kalau
scale.
nggak salah si ini ya tadi,
Apparently, they have a long and
eh
glorious history, and they're
Ratnik
made up
gitu lah,
entirely of
Blitz.
volunteers.
Secara panting lumayan berprestasi, anggotanya relawan semua. Oh, oke,
But
benar ya.
seriously,
Berarti
a
kerja di
volunteer
bawah.
organization in Nodcry? This place is hardly a magnet for noble hearts. No pay, all work. That's not a business model, and it's certainly not for
Tanpa
me.
bayaran katanya. Akui sekarang.
Everyone knows they're here for the ancient moon's remnants, but no one's sure why they pulled them down in Nodcry of all places. Anyway, they've been acting mysterious enough, but if you ask me, that Kuvaki Experimental Design Bureau of theirs up north hides secrets wilder still. That bunch of booze-loving monsters? Ugh, don't even get me. As fellow Outlanders, I thought they'd be easy pickings, but somehow, every single one of our business negotiations wound up at the flagship. I've done plenty of deals with heavy drinkers before, but those guys, I never once made it to the contract signing before blacking out. I'm getting flashbacks of the hangovers just thinking about it.
Dikirain dia ngejelasin tujuan apa mereka kesini apa? Oke, ini inti.
What now? A spaceship? Don't you two get involved in any big business here without so much as a heads up, you hear me? At the very least, consider letting me in as a key investor. Oh,
Oke.
I almost forgot to mention. Sooner or later, you'll no
Eh,
doubt end up
gua
doing
kira dia
business
tahu
with
ya.
some other merchants in Nodcry. And someone's bound to mention, listen to my advice. Do not, under any circumstances, the Curatorium of Secrets? Just a place that handles all kinds of disputes. But the owner will charge you an absolute fortune, and she has a temper to match. Nothing like your friendly neighborhood. You're not just saying that to stop your competition from undercutting. When did that little pipsqueak get so sharp? And after I gave them all that info for free just to win them over. What do you mean? Of course not. I'm only thinking about your wallets. I mean, on behalf. You're really not convincing anyone, you know. All right. Business is a cutthroat business. But I'm not lying about that boss lady. Not only did she make it into my
Tidak
top
boleh
3
diajak
people
gitu
not
dulu.
to mess with in Nodcry, she's
Siapa
also
sih?
in my top 3 people most eager
Sniper
to
ya.
succeed in
Ini tiga
favors.
nih. Diajak punya.
Seriously? It feels like you're just bad-mouthing your rival now. Fine. If you don't believe me, go see for yourselves. We might both be from Sumeru, but compared to hers, my conscience is so large. Why, it could fill 3 whole palaces of Alcazar's. But when you realize what I'm saying is true, don't say that good old Lord Sangamabe didn't warn you.
Oke, kayaknya kita ketemu siapa? Never ya? Oke, bentar apa? Kita lihat dulu. Oh, nanti aja lah. Kita fokus dulu. Tapi tunggu sebentar, kita udah berapa menit? Baru setengah jam ya. Kita lanjut dulu. Gue sih harapannya ya untuk satu video tuh itu satu questnya yang sampai ada apa ya itu?
The line seems to be gone now.
Ya itulah ya.
Let's go say hi to Catherine.
Gue nggak bisa ngejelasin karena gue nggak tahu apa namanya. Oke,
We need a
baju Catherine tuh beda. Nah, iya yang gue bilang ya. Yang kita lihat itu bukan Catherine tapi Sandron.
How ridiculous.
Huh?
They often say that mortals, shackled by their own flesh and blood, may fail to perceive the truth of this world, even when it is right beneath their very noses.
But Paimon must have gotten the wrong person. At second glance, you do seem a bit young.
A creator might forgive ignorance,
Maksud
but being
ketidaktakuan.
mistaken for one of my own creations is beyond all
Jadi
pardon.
tinggal ciptaannya. Oke bener ya berarti teori-teorinya. Jadi si Catherine ini adalah ciptaan si Sandron ya guys.
Look very closely, for standing before you is none other than Marionette, 7th of the Fatui Harbingers.
Ya, Sandra 7 ya.
A harbinger?
Apa kamu yang bagi misi di sini?
I told you already, I'm not Catherine.
Oke.
Just how obsessed are you?
Berarti kita tetap ketemu Catherine ya di sini. Cuman ini event aja lah. Dan sebenarnya sudah. Ya kan, betul. Semua gerakanku diawasi oleh Patrick. Iya, kurang lebih gitu ya harusnya.
Today's encounter is merely a courtesy call. A friendly warning. You interfered with my work once before, with that little robot. I let it slide. After all, it was nothing more than a distraction, a side plot. But we are in Nodcry now. And as such, I strongly advise you not to stand in the Fatui's way. Otherwise, the next time we meet, I'm...
Oh, please. You've got some nerve coming out with barely veiled threats like that. You're the one.
Oh, perhaps you have misunderstood. Just because Nodcry lacks a ruler at present, that does not mean it should not be ruled.
Yeah, right. We're more like shady experiments, judging by your massive creepy research facility.
I've said what I came to say. What you do next, only you can decide. So why don't you start by using your and? Being the refined young lady that I am, I shall indulge you just this once. Ad Astra Abasosk. Welcome to Nod Cry.
Kita direkam sama penciptanya, guys. Sungguh terhormat ya. Itu juga alasannya mungkin bentuk rambutnya tuh sama. Ya, sama Catherine. Mirip lah, bukan sama ya. Kalau bilang sama sih nggak terlalu sama.
Evil be so annoyingly self-righteous. But if a Fatui Harbinger is here to greet us in person, that can only mean one. We'll have to be extra careful from here on out.
Nah, Catherine ya.
Back.
Ad Astra Abyssosque. Welcome to the adventures. How may I help? I will do everything I can to assist you.
You're so much nicer to talk to, Catherine.
Dia kebingungan. Tapi berarti kayaknya Catherine lebih canggih daripada Neva atau gimana ya? Tapi nggak tahu juga ya. Lagian template juga dia.
Hello. I was just about to.
Did you manage to get everything Aino asked for?
I did. What about you? Do you need me to navigate or introduce any?
Not for now. We've seen most of it already. We probably need some time to process everything we've learned, though.
Any progress with the spaceship?
No. Catherine came back just now, so we asked her, but even she has.
One possible explanation is the vast stretch of time that has elapsed. Additionally, given the limited resources available in Nodcry, it is entirely
Bisa jadi. Gue juga mikir gitu sih di awal tadi. Jadi siapkan mental sih, tapi aku menolak menyerah sebelum mencoba.
Understood. In that case, why don't we go ask after all? She was the one who salvaged me. Ancient dragon technology and all. If there really are any unusual parts floating around Nodcry, there's a high chance that
Pasti
they passed
jadi
through my
matching.
hands at some point or
Suatu
another.
ketika bisa jadi.
Since you keep mentioning her, we're curious to meet this whiz kid mechanic too.
Understood. Then I'll handle navigation as before. ETA at the Clink Clink Krumkake craft shop.
Ini apa sedang sibuk? Kita harus nyelesain misi yang lain. Ya, kepotong guys berarti. Gara-gara gue ketemu ini ya, kalau nggak salah yang bocil. Gue lupa lagi. Tapi ya udah deh. Ntar, turunnya gimana? Oke, ketik itu. Kantor? Namanya kantor kan? Bentar, kita kan bisa mode fokus ya kalau nggak salah. Nanti kita rubah ke mode fokus aja setelah percakapan yang ini ya. Gue udah sempat ngambil belum ya? Lakaberi. Kita coba ya. Oh, belum berarti. Kita belum sempat nyari. Dan kita bakalan coba fokus quest Archon. Bisa nggak ya? Ini. Aktifkan mode fokus. Aktifkan ya. Dan karena kita mau fokus di Archon Quest aja guys. Oke, 215 apakah di map dekat? Oh iya, gue mau kasih lihat ini juga ya sekalian ya. Nah, ini dia ya. No, apa patungnya ya guys, Columbina, tapi di sini ada mesin-mesin gitu entah, nggak ngerti ya. Gue juga. Dan kalau misalkan kita lihat lagi di map yang lain, misalnya yang di sini, kalau nggak salah, ini belum tersentuh sama sekali harusnya. Karena ini daerahnya Frost Sign katanya, kalau nggak salah ya. Barusan kata Pak Imam. Nah, ya, ya, ini belum tersentuh sama sekali dia. Keren kan? Tapi ini kayak udah level 10 ya. Terus level 0 kan? Iya tuh, level 1 ya. Gue belum ngambil sama sekali untuk fokusnya. Dan kita mungkin lihat di daerah pathway-nya itu, kalau nggak salah mesin-mesinnya lebih besar lagi deh. Kalau nggak salah ya. Seingat gua. Gimana? Ah, ini dia. No, lihat. Sampai full ya. Tadi kan mesinnya tuh cuma sebelah kiri doang tuh tadi. Ini udah full tercover ya. Ini kelihatan sih, berarti ini faksinya patuh di daerah sini ya. Ada mesin besar. Gue juga belum masuk, belum sempat keliling-keliling juga, jadi bisa kita balik lagi ke ini ya, quest utamanya. Tapi kita lihat dulu, udah berapa menit? 46 menit. Jadi mungkin untuk video kali ini gue bakalan sudahi dulu sampai sini ya, karena ini gue lapar juga dan eh, apa ya namanya? Kita akan menuju quest berikutnya di next video aja lah. Gitu aja guys. See you next time.